Today, hearings for a Supreme Court nominee, Judge Amy Coney Barrett, wrapped up in 1 week. October 22nd, the Senate Judiciary Committee will vote. But those who don't share ACB's originalist philosophy are concerned. Some even believe her personal thoughts on landmark decisions could lead them to be overturned. Our Meredith Aldis spoke with an attorney about the process. Meredith?
Greg, if Amy Coney Barrett is approved, attorneys tell me she'll not be able to simply walk in and change laws. The whole process of taking cases before the Supreme Court is much more complicated.
She can't just come in there and be like, all right, guys, here's my agenda.
Attorney Logan Davis says it takes more than people probably think to overturn precedent.
The right case has to actually come up through the courts and get in front of the Supreme Court. And then the Supreme Court has to select it. There have to be at least 4 justices to select it, to hear it.
There are 2 paths a case can take to make it in front of the Supreme Court, state and federal.
They have to go and say that a specific case was decided the wrong way. And if you look at it from their perspective, even if they weren't in the majority, the Supreme Court doesn't like saying we were wrong. This case was decided wrongly. So, and they would have to do that.
Not all state cases can be appealed to the United States Supreme Court.
Typically what it needs to be is a constitutional issue.
The process to overturn or even get a case in front of the Supreme Court takes years. It also takes a lot of money.
So that's why a lot of times you need groups like the ACLU to get behind them, or like gun rights case, the NRA gets behind them and funds that whole process.
When Supreme Court justices are selecting and voting on cases, Davis says, based on judicial ethics, they are supposed to follow the law as it exists.
They want consistency in the circuits.
Davis says Amy Coney Barrett's potential confirmation would probably make the Supreme Court more conservative.
You think about the middle point, like who's the swing vote, it just shifts further and further to the right.
But she says she does think justices try to be apolitical.
The Supreme Court and the judiciary in general wants to be nonpartisan and not involved in politics.
If confirmed as expected, Barrett would become the 3rd justice on the court to be appointed by President Donald Trump. Reporting live in studio, Meredith Aldis, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.